how to use TikTok offline. Now, TikTok is primarily an online application that you can use, right? Even the TikTok Lite application in this case. And what happens is the reason it is online is because it has to fetch the data from other creators who has uploaded a video, and they have to show you the live information like maybe the comments, your interactions and everything. But if you still want to use it offline, there are some ways to get around this. The first is after you've loaded the TikTok application, you can turn off your access to internet. Now, because you've already loaded it, some of the things might have still been already loaded. So you can see I'm still able to swipe through some of the videos because previously when my internet was connected, it loaded all of these videos and I don't have to go ahead and then remove these videos now. Another way that I can do this is if I like a certain video which I want to watch offline, I can simply save that video. So I can tap on the share icon from the bottom right, then I can see the save video option which will save the video offline to my gallery, and I can watch it even when I'm not connected to the internet. And these are some of the ways on how you can use TikTok Lite offline. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.